you looking for a way to monitor your house while you're not home or see what your pets are doing? Well, let's look at this product. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. I'm today's host, Matthew, and today we're going to be looking at a really awesome product from Golspark, which is an indoor security camera. Perfect for the people who want to see what their little furry friends are up to while they're not home. But as you know, in every episode of Good Tech Cheap, we do a full unboxing and review. So, let's get into it. Welcome back to Good Tech Cheap. Today we're going to be looking at the Golspark indoor security camera. The packaging on this looks phenomenal. It looks great. But as you know, in every episode we do a full unboxing and review, so let's open it up. One of the first things you're going to see is the user manual. This is just the instructions and everything you need to know about setting up your camera. Where to get the app, what's the details, and information on sharing the camera with other people, what's in the package, and compliance. The mounting system is included, so you're going to have the screws and the mounting plate, as well as the easy lineup. So this is just a little sticker so you can kind of pre-start your holes and then easily line it up and send it on through. They of course include the charging cable, so it looks like we have a USB-C cable right here. Again, perfect modern technology, and a wall plug right here. So you just plug this in, charge your device, and you're good to go. And finally, the camera itself. Awesome. Look at this thing. Golspark, this is going to be fun. It does feel like you will be able to control it yourself, so that's going to be awesome. Being able to mount it anywhere that you need it. And you know we got to do it. Let's peel it off. Awesome. This thing looks great, Golspark. This thing looks awesome, Golspark. Can't wait to try it out. So let's get into it. This is the Golspark indoor security camera. It's a 2K camera that's perfect for pets, dogs, and just monitoring your house indoors. Also, don't forget to check below. There's a 20% discount for everybody. Discount will end on May 28th. Cover every corner. This indoor security camera offers 360-degree pan and 90-degree tilt, providing full coverage of your home. Through the app, you can remotely control the camera's direction and angle, allowing you to monitor every corner of your home in real time. Smart motion detection and tracking with advanced motion detection technology. This pet dog camera automatically tracks and follows moving objects, sending you timely notifications. You'll never miss any important activities or events happening in your home. With a clear two-way audio, this baby monitor camera comes with a built-in microphone and speaker, allowing you to smoothly communicate with your family members and pets through the phone app. It's convenient for you to comfort your babies and animals timely when you are apart. Advanced night vision. This home security camera can see everything clearly, even in the dark, thanks to the integrated IR system, which provides 30 feet of night vision. It gives you a clear view of your home even at nighttime, and you can share it with multiple users. This smart house camera allows multiple users to access and monitor your home simultaneously. By sharing the camera's QR code, your family members and friends can easily join in to view the home monitoring information together. Isn't that awesome? Haven't you always been curious about what your little fur buddy is doing while you're not home? What's going on in their head when you leave? Well, now you know. We want to give a huge shout out to Golspark for sponsoring this video and sending us this awesome product. All their links will be down below in the description. And I've been today's host, Matthew. You've been watching Good Tech Cheap. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you in the next review. Bye!